Riley, check back in from National No Cover Racing Association. In this next video, we got Jerry Bird. Watch it.
Over here in the left lane from the table ball, going up against Jerry Bird. Jerry Bird will be racing in a great race tonight. So Jerry Bird over there in the right lane driving the Blue Ford Pro. The first one got to get out of it. The Jerry Bird able to roll down there and get the win right first. The both guys have issues. Right now, over in that right lane, that's going to be Jerry Bird going up against Ty Kelly over in the left lane. Jerry Bird versus Ty Kelly. Demon going out here in the first round. Invitational class over in that left lane. That is going to be the Vichy Nova from California. Going up against Nola's Own over here in this right lane. That is going to be Jerry Bird. Driving the blue. At you right now. Over in the left lane, driving the pink Cadillac. That's going to be Disco D. And over in the right lane, from Team Nola, driving the blue Ford Globe, that is going to be Jerry Bird. So Jerry Bird, Disco D here first. Pair coming at you right now, over in that right lane with the big block Ford twin turbo combination. That is going to be Mike Murillo. He is going up against none other than Jerry Bird over here in the left lane. So Mike Murillo, last round, able to knock out Ty Kelly, get him out of the race. Going up against Kai's teammate now, Jerry Bird. Jerry Bird, Nola, going to try to get somewhere. All right, here we go, folks. Invitational semifinals coming at you right now. Driving that blue Ford Globe, the team over that's going to be Jerry Bird. He is going up against Scoreboard Boston. Driving the Pro Charge Nova. Put your hands together for Daddy Dave. Right here, one pass will decide who takes home the money. All right, your invitational final starts right now. Over in the left lane, his first ever finals for No Prestige. California, Brandon James. And over in the right lane, from Team Nola, his 8th No Prestige Finals appearance, looking to finally get that win, Jerry Bird. Vanderbilt Speedway, $40,000 riding on this race right here. It all comes down this match right here, right now, starting with 32 cars, down to 2. This is your final. Go!